Hi guys. So we are here working back on the buggy. It's been a long time since we've been working on it. Last video on this project we ride it very good, it was very good, but now it's time to repair some things that are not quite good, and there is a list. So what I want to do is to repair the gearing, the shifting mechanism, because it broke last time we rode it. Repair the slack there is also in the shift lever. To put some reinforcements and some cross bracing on the roll cage, to change the oil, to change the exhaust to a lower side, because when the suspension comes down, it's the exhaust right here. Then to put some headlights on the front and on the back, to repair this engage, to finish the bodywork, and then sorry, some noise. But the main thing is, what I want to do is to enlarge the rear axle, and that's what we are going to do right now. I'm gonna disassemble this and then go to the machine shop, a friend of mine, and try to make a new axle to the rear. Okay, so let's go. So the thing is that the last time that I filmed you this with the buggy, I sent the back axle to the milling shop, and it has been maybe 2 months since that video, and no changes since then. The milling shop that is owned by a friend of mine didn't have the time to enlarge the axle so far, and now I miss working on this, and so what I'm going to do is to continue to work on the buggy, on some things that don't depend on the back axle, and so that's it. First things I wanted to do is to, as I mentioned in the list, is to repair the lever for the shifting mechanism. I have to repair in 2 places. And as I don't have too much to do in this buggy, what I found is that I think I want to change the position of the clutch again, because having a hand clutch, it's not very practicable. So I'm trying to move to the foot clutch, but let's see. I will try and we'll see if it works. Okay, so let's go. I will try a solution for the clutch pedal. I don't think it's the best, but now I'm gonna go in an easy way. I'm gonna try the easiest solution. Let's see if it works. So, I think the clutch is working good. I think it turned out better than I expected. It doesn't look very pretty, but I think it's functional. I think it will work. So now what I'm going to do is to build the brake pedal that I removed. Okay, so let's go. So it has been 6 months since I recorded that video that you just saw. This is me from the future speaking to you. So it's been 6 months since I've been working in the buggy. I've been doing nothing, so it's been the same. But now, like 2 days ago, I received a call from my friend from the milling machine shop telling me that the back axle is finally done. So I hope next week we get a new video of me putting the new and enlarged back axle in the buggy. So I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time. Bye bye.